1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 20. Fleet side, regular cab pickup here at Unique, especially in classics. Original 454 underneath the hood yet. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Now, there are a couple little battle wounds here and there on this truck. I want to point these out. You'll be able to see them in the pictures too. Paint, little patina on it. This vehicle actually came to us from Colorado. And we'll look around it close, check out the wheel wells, cab corners, under the hood. Would have been a pretty nicely equipped truck coming from the factory back in 1974. It does have power steering, power brakes, AC, although not all the AC components are hooked up at this present time. Take a look at the chrome, grille, headlight surrounds, and take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Chevy wheel covers, of course, gold and white paint combination, as you can see. So you can see a little corrosion, but tell you what, not all that bad considering age of this truck. Take a look at those cab corners. You can tell it hasn't spent winters in Minnesota. Definitely tell you that by looking at the body of it. Would have had a saddle interior, vinyl, that has shown its wear over the years, so it's had a seat cover put on it. And dash also has some cracks in the top. They did put a dash pad over it. Comes with a toolbox. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little hickey on the tailgate there, probably from hooking up to a trailer once upon a time. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Be able to see the data tag, I guess, if you will, that's along with this, and the VIN tag, all of that. So that truck actually came with tilt column, sliding rear window, as you can see, still has. Also the folding seat back. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, take a look at those fenders. Cab corner again. Looks good. We're gonna fire it up, let's hear it run too. Things always started easily. Anytime I've moved it around, hit the switch, it starts. I do want to mention, previous owner said only use the right fuel tank. So right here, they put a switch in right here. Up is the right tank. Strictly use the right tank. This is the left one's not hooked up. Slip around to the back here, so you hear it run. Guess what you'd expect. 1974 Chevy with a 454. Let's slip up to the front. We're going to take a peek at this engine bay. So let me pause this 1 second real quick. Get this hood open, check out the engine bay. And the underside of the hood. As well as engine bay. That is the original 454 that it came with. Power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see not all the components are hooked up on the AC. Stick around to the end of this video. We're going to take a little drive with this truck. You can see what it's like going down the road. 1974 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super C20. Regular cab fleet side. Colorado truck. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1974 Chevrolet C20 pickup truck. An old, reliable, trusty pickup truck. Just keeps running like $1 million no matter what. Good acceleration in this truck. A little bit of wind noise around the wing windows. Not too bad. That one wasn't actually shut all the way, so much better. Oil pressure is looking good, right around 60. The amps are charging over half the gauge. Temperature is just above cold. And our fuel gauge is showing less than 1/4 of a tank. Speedometer working well. This is a smooth riding truck. There's a couple little things like the headliners drooping a little. Radio does not work. This is a fun old reliable truck. I think I'd put a radio in it. Other than that, the thing rides nice. Lots of power. Steers easy. If you let go of the wheel, this truck stays nice and straight. Brakes work really well. Windshield wipers work. Blower motor works. This is the epitome of 1974 with the browns and the tans and the beiges. Kind of a throwback truck. Stepping back in time. Starts up and idles great right away, like a lot of old Chevys. This truck actually doesn't lean much in the corners. It's got some firm suspension, but it rides nice. Not firm in the sense that it'd be bumpy. The road is nice and smooth. Matched color seat cover on this bench seat. Very nice running truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.